Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We'll demonstrate here on 2016 Ford F-150 right here, guys. Now we have two fuse boxes, but the fuse box that we will need is actually located under the hood. Once you open the hood, you can see that's the engine here, that's the radiator overflow tank, and if you come towards the car battery, we're going to zoom in. Right behind the car battery you have a fuse box, that's the cover. You open that cover, guys, and you're going to see, okay, a fuse box that looks just like that. Now, this is the front of your F-150, this is towards the back. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, now you have all kinds of fuses and relays that could be Ford specific or really hard to find, guys, at part stores in small towns in the middle of nowhere, so those can cost you quite a bit of money, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a really good price, quick shipping as well. Keep some spares just in case you need them, so you're not stuck in the middle of nowhere. The EVAP Purge Control Valve fuse is located in that fuse panel here, and if you come in that right row on the very side, you start from the bottom and you count fuse number 1, 2. That fuse right here, guys, it's known as fuse number 95. That's the fuse for the EVAP system and the Purge Control Valve. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.